Hey there, gorgeous. You can call me 77. Swipe right on me. I promise you won't be disappointed. Hold on. This script was written by the house, not for me. Well then, 77s, take it away.
Now that we've got her out of the way, let's talk about me. I'm fully renovated inside and out, and I promise you won't have to change a thing. I'm talking fresh looks, new everything, no fixer-upper vibes here. Just bring your furniture and your fabulous self. I've got the perfect space for cozy nights in or hosting a killer dinner party. My kitchen's got all the moves, ready to impress with style and function. Think of me as your culinary soulmate. Check out my yard. It's just waiting for us to create something special together. Big enough for all your outdoor dreams or that massive garage you've been dreaming about. You can decide. I'm pretty easygoing. I'm tired of this dating game. I'm ready for commitment. So, if you're looking for the total package, charm, convenience, and no baggage, 77 is your girl.